situated in one of Norfolk's most sought-after neighborhoods, Colonial Place. With 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths, with over 2,200 square feet of living space, this house is full of possibilities for buyers wanting to move into this neighborhood at way below market price. Or, for the real estate investor, whether for resale or rental, the word potential comes to mind. 725 Michigan has character and charm and is solid. They don't build houses like this anymore. The large double-car garage not only has space for safe and secure off-street parking, but also room for your shop or hobby corner. Close to Ghent shopping and entertainment, downtown, Norfolk Naval Base, Old Dominion University, interstates, as well as the medical facilities at and surrounding Norfolk's Tara. This is an ideal location. If schools are of interest, this home is located in the Maury High School and is near many other public and private schools.